In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a GoDaddy email. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step, ensuring you have all the information needed to successfully purchase your own GoDaddy email account. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident about setting up your professional email address with GoDaddy. First things first, let's head over to the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, look for the search bar at the top of the page. You simply need to type in email and press enter. On the results page, navigate to the Professional Email option. This is where you'll find the different email plans offered by GoDaddy that are perfect for businesses or personal use. Now, take a moment to browse through the various plans available. GoDaddy usually offers several options, ranging from a basic email plan to more comprehensive packages that might include Microsoft 365. Consider your needs carefully. If you require a lot of storage and additional features, the higher tier plans might be more suitable. But if you're just starting out, a basic plan could provide everything you need. Once you've settled on a plan that fits your requirements, click on it. This will bring you to the product details page where you can find more in-depth information about the plan's features and pricing. It's a good practice to review this information so that there are no surprises later on. If everything looks good, you can proceed by hitting the Add to Cart button. After adding your chosen email plan to the cart, you'll be directed to your shopping cart. Here, you have the opportunity to review your order before proceeding to checkout. This is also a great chance to make any last-minute changes. Double-check the plan details, the domain you've chosen to associate with your email, and the pricing. Once you're satisfied, click on the Proceed to Checkout button. At this stage, if you are not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in to your GoDaddy account. If you're new, no problem. Just select the option to create a new account, fill in the necessary details, and continue. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the checkout page. Enter your billing information carefully. Make sure that the payment details you enter are correct and up to date. Afterward, review your order summary one last time to ensure everything is accurate. When you're ready, click Complete Purchase. A confirmation email will be sent to you soon after, providing a summary of your purchase. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased a GoDaddy email. Check your email to confirm everything, and then log into your new email account to get started. If you run into any issues during setup, GoDaddy's customer support is an excellent resource for assistance. Remember, having a professional email can make a world of difference in maintaining a brand or personal image, so take pride in your new GoDaddy email address. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.